Hey guys, this is Joseph Latham from OnlineIncomes247.com, and I just want to show you guys a way to get traffic to all your funnels and your make money online offers. Now it's a website called Udimi.com, and if you click the link below this video, guys, you can get an account set up. Now keep in mind that this does cost a premium to get involved with this. It is $29.99 a month. But what this site does is it weeds out like all the scammy, like, solo ad vendors and all the BS clicks because, unfortunately in the solo ad industry there is some bad apples out there, giving you crappy traffic and whatnot. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll in. You can see here. I used to sell solos. I don't do that business model anymore, but I just buy traffic over here now. So basically, if you just click on solo deals, this is where you're gonna get your deals. Now, as a marketer, your number one goal is to get as many leads as you can per day. I would shoot for 100 leads a day. If you can't afford that, that's okay. Shoot for 25 to 50 leads a day, but just make it consistent, And a lot of these vendors do offer 50 click minimum packages, okay? So you can get hooked up with, smaller click traffic, So let me show you like how to do this, okay? So basically you just go through here and you can see the reviews of all the marketers, okay, all the solo ad vendors, okay. You see this guy's got a 383 positive, 8 negative. See, some of these people have no negative. You can see how many orders they've completed on the site, okay. So for example, let's say we picked this girl because we want to choose people, guys, with a lot of tier 1 or top tier traffic. And top tier traffic is like the most spending power countries, okay, like USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. Believe it or not, Singapore actually has one of the strongest economies in the world, and it's better than the USA. Okay, so if we just click on this lady here, this link, okay, scroll down, I'm going to show you guys how to order, okay. And first off, you can see right here that, you can do 50 to 100, which is cool, because some people are strapped for cash and they're just starting. So, but this is like an instant way to get traffic, guys. You don't have to wait and go post ads on Facebook or create videos or any of that, because that's, it's time consuming. Okay, so you can see here they've got 5 sales. And see, this is a small order. This was a small order, guys. Only 100 clicks, 5 sales. That's crazy. Okay, so like if you were promoting the web wealth system, right? Say you made 5 sales, right? Okay, with all the opt-ins. So let's see, you got 32 opt-ins and 5 sales. So if it was a web wealth system funnel that you guys should have by now, if not, check in my group. You would say, okay, so 27 times 5, that's 135 plus 32. That's $167 you would have made off of that solo ad. And you can see right here, 100 clicks. Wow. Okay, if it's tier 1, wow, she's got some pretty good pricing, guys. So if you would have bought that and had those type of conversion rates, now I cannot guarantee that. You can never guarantee, but I mean, this lady's got seller or buyers, guys, on her list, so that's good. So 167 minus 46. You would have just made $121 in one day, just from that. So basically, all you would do is you come over here, down here, and then you just get your links. They have some links in here, and then you just click add to cart, and then you pay, and then that's it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna order from this lady tomorrow because she seems really cool, and she's got 100% positive ratings. She's taking care of her customers, and really solid person here. But that's just one example. But you can see, okay, so basically, let me show you how I create a link. So I'm just using Bitly right now. I do have a quality click control, but I'm just not using it right now. My server's kind of screwed up. So basically, I would just get my affiliate link from my web wealth systems or your funnel link, and then you just go to Bitly, and then you just grab the link. I'll show you guys how to do this real quick so you're not confused. You just click on swipes, okay, and then put new swipe, and then I just put web solo ad, and then we're just gonna put solo ad test, okay, and then This one could be, I'm just going to rename this. This could be that lady that we just saw. We'll just put Karen G, like 100 or something like that. Whatever your Bitly link is, you can you can customize the link in Bitly, so you can so you know what it is later, and then you can reference it later when you check your stats. And then you just click save, and then that's it. And then when you go to order, I'll show you. So go back to solo deals. Now let's say we ordered from this guy. All right, so you just scroll down. Let's see, 29. We're gonna do 50 clicks. We're just gonna start out. So you can choose between who you want to go into, or your swipe, right? Say it was a WebWell system, and then you can click here, filters, T1 only, and then you just click add to cart, and then you pay through PayPal, and that's it. And then you'll be getting traffic, leads, and hopefully sales within less than 24 hours. So that's pretty much it, video guys. That's it for this. And like I said, this is just one traffic source that I'm going to be going over, and I'm going to have a lot more videos soon. All right, that's pretty much it, and you guys have a great day. All right, ciao.